we can move on to the next example. So question number 3 is asking for the formula for circumference. Okay, so the circumference is the distance of the, or I guess more properly, around the perimeter of a circle. Or, yeah, so the distance around a circle. Oop. A little bit of a wonky circle, but if we have a circle, we can measure, the radius, which is the distance from the middle of the circle out to the edge of the circle. Or we can measure the diameter, right, which is from one side of the circle to the other through the middle. And if, say, we have this perimeter around the circle, if we, I guess I could draw it, oops, like this. If we were to cut, we had, say, like a string or something and wrapped it around into a circle. We wanted to figure out the circumference of the circle, and we cut the string and unrolled it so that it was a straight line like this. We would be able to see that this circumference is equal to 3 and a bit times the diameter, right? So if we had, you would have 1 times the diameter, oops, too far, 2 times the diameter here, 3 times the diameter, and then this last part here, obviously not to scale, that would be 0.14, etc., with more decimals, times the diameter. So actually the circumference is equal to pi, which is 3.14159, etc., pi times the diameter. Okay, so yeah, remember, if you were to take a string or something and make it into the shape of a circle and then cut it and stretch it out, you'll be able to find that this circumference is equal to pi times the diameter. Remember, you can also work with radius. Oops, doing things with my hand here. You can also work with the radius of a circle, right? And the radius is half of the diameter, half of the diameter, or you can say that the diameter is 2 times the radius. So we can also get that the circumference is equal to pi times 2r. I'm blocking it a little bit. There we go. Pi times 2r, and more commonly seen as 2 pi r, the circumference. So these are the 2 main formulas for circumference. Okay. Looking into the solution, we have this drawing of stretching out the perimeter, or the circumference of a circle so that we can measure it, and we get the same solution. Our solution. And we can move on to the next question.